The new QuickStick fastening system from Simpson Strong-Tie is the easiest, most versatile tool to use SDWC truss screws to fasten rafters or trusses to top plates. Lightweight and comfortable, it's incredibly easy to grip and maneuver, and its innovative design makes it faster and more flexible than any other system. It's compatible with any standard drill or driver with no special adapter required. The QuickStick's angled guidelines and bubble level attachment allow for a quick and accurate screw placement for a wide range of truss applications. Its extended reach eliminates the need for a ladder, making installation safer than traditional methods. Install rafters and trusses quickly and easily with the most innovative tool of its kind, the QuickStick fastening system. Now available at leading hardware retailers. Follow the links below to find out more. Together, we're helping build safer, stronger structures.